Hello and what's up, madlang people? Um, Today, it's a different sort of video. It's like a comparison of the patch that I built from this Zoom G1Four. Just to show you guys that there's really a difference when you're using effects pedal. You are not only relying on the sound from your effects pedal, albeit it's a multi-effects pedal or the single stomp box. You are also trying to get the sound out of your guitar. So I'm using Paul's gift to me, his most treasured Washburn electric guitar. I've done a review on this one. I've used this a couple of times, I think with my Stevie Ray Vaughan patch for Zoom G1X on, and I think Buwan by Juan Carlos, I've used this one as well. So if you want to check out this guitar, I'll post the link for the review of this guitar. Yeah, on the intro you've heard the tone of this guitar, and I'll be comparing the sound using this guitar and then the Silvertone SG copy, which I also used many times already. This one, whenever I'm trying to emulate a Les Paul sound or also an SG sound, because this is a SG copy guitar. So I'm using this because of the humbucker settings. By the way, the pickups are, I've changed it to Warman Zebra humbuckers. I got a review on those pickups. It's cheap pickups, but it's amazing sound. It changes this guitar because of the pickups. Right, having said that, the last bit that we would be comparing is a cheap DIY guitar, single coil. So if you look at it, if you look at this guitar, there's nothing much on this guitar apart from your hard work and your passion for music, because I sort of assembled this myself. Right, so we'll compare the tone, the sound quality of three guitars with patch that we've created, and it's, I've chosen Enter Sandman by Metallica. And we're just doing the rhythm section. I'm not really a good lead guitarist. Plus, we don't have the expression pedal for the wah sound. So we're just doing the rhythm, more on the riffs rather than the lead. But you'll hear the sound of those three guitars and the difference. Also, I will just be using like from neck to middle to bridge pickup. Will not do the combination, so that it's just quicker just for you to hear the tone when you're using the neck pickup or the middle pickup or the bridge pickup. So that's it. Without much talking, we'll crack on with the sound. Okay, see you in a bit. Here's our patch, guys. So it's on bank 22, but I think I started from scratch on this one. So here are the effects: Z&R, vintage flanger, MS800 or like a Marshall amp, and then we've got violet distortion, and then whole. Z&R detect is on effects in, depth 90, threshold 40, decay 10. This is for the vintage flanger. Pred 5, depth 10, rate 15, resolution -2. MS800, input high, bass 90, mid 60, treble 5, presence 20, gain 40, volume 80. And then the violet distortion, gain 30, tone 5, voice 2, volume 75. Last, whole, pred 49, decay 10, mix 45, tail off. Oh guys, I forgot to mention that I normally own all of my patches using this Zoom G1Four. I always use the stomp option, and I turned off the distortion so that it's a clean sound. But during live, perhaps I will be just turning it on and off from this pedal. Alright, so clean and then distorted. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and see you again soon. Bye for now.